Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm pretty sure I know what's in this box, so I'm just going to get right into it. There's no invoice in here. Well, looks like there is. Hang on. Packing slip. Alright. I got a couple of DVD box sets here. 4 to be exact. Let's crack these open. Just looking for my scissors. They definitely packed it quite nicely. Come on. I should be able to slide it out now. Okay, the end is not quite open. There we go. There's the second season of Beast Wars. Now, when this was on TV here in Canada, they changed the name to Beasties. For what reason, I don't know. Maybe it was some kind of legal thing they had to do. I did try to find the, I think it's the 15th anniversary edition of these. Came in 2 box sets, it's actually more expensive than getting the original release. There's the first season. Now let's have a look at these discs. Oh, they're a little dirty. I'll have to clean these before I stick them in my PlayStation to watch them. Oh, there we go. But, well, I'll discuss a little after I open this. Because of the bubble wrap. Third season, and then this, I think, is another 1 or 2 seasons of Beast Machines, which came right after Beast Wars. Series. How are these discs? Not too bad. Also a little bit dirty, but not as bad as the other ones. Discs. So 4 discs, okay. yeah, these are the Transformers that I grew up with. I didn't really see much of like the Gen 1 or Gen 2 Transformers with Optimus Prime and stuff like that. I did get some like remakes, re-releases of some of the Transformers from Beast Wars. Not so much from Beast Machines yet, but I look forward to watching these and maybe reviewing them. I might review them one season at a time as opposed to like doing an episode. I probably won't show footage on my channel. I'll just make notes or something and discuss it at some point. But yeah, anyways, I really enjoyed what I was able to watch of these on TV. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good one.